Hi everybody, welcome. Today we're going to be discussing what is a hardware wallet. Before I explain what a hardware wallet is, let me just show you one just as an example. This is a Keystone 3 Pro, I believe. Now the question is, what is a hardware wallet? Why do we have one? A hardware wallet or a crypto asset wallet, or you can call it a cryptocurrency wallet, it's known by many things, funnily enough, is a hardware piece which is physical, obviously, and what it does is the primary function is it holds your private keys and your public keys. Now, these private and public keys are used to sign transactions. Another functionality is the fact it encrypts any of your messages. Therefore, signing a message can be used for multiple things. One, for example, signing smart contracts. Another one, signing an actual transaction of you broadcasting a message and broadcasting your currency or your asset to another person on the blockchain. You can also use the signing for other use cases, for example, signing documents which are legally binding. The purpose of signing is to identify who owns those public keys. Now, you obviously use your private key as that identifies that you are that certain individual. That means nobody else can replicate that. That also means that it's unique to yourself. Now, where does a hardware wallet actually fit in? The hardware wallet will actually allow you to sign it physically. So when you actually do a transaction, the transaction information will come onto your hardware wallet and say, is this correct? Is this what you want to sign? For example, if I was to transfer one Bitcoin to another person, say I purchased the new Tesla Cybertruck, and I wanted to transfer one Bitcoin to another person's address, which is their public key. It's their public address, right? When I do that submission and I use their public key, I can see on my hardware wallet, okay, I'm sending from my public key to their public key. Is that correct? Or I should say, I'm sending from my wallet address to their wallet address, if that helps you understand it better. Just to clarify, a wallet address is what the public can see. The private address is obviously something that's in a security element or something that's just in the hardware device. Now, where is all of this actually stored? It's stored on the blockchain. So once you've visually seen it and then you sign, do you know what, this is correct, I do want to send it to this wallet address because I know who owns that wallet address, then you authorize it. And that authorization works through your private key saying, I am the owner of this wallet. I am happy to send one Bitcoin to X individual's wallet. And that transaction gets broadcasted onto the blockchain and then obviously gets verified by proof of work. As mentioned earlier, you can also use these for smart contracts. For example, on the Ethereum, on the Solana network, if you create a smart contract, for example, for NFTs, non-fungible tokens, you can deploy a smart contract by using your hardware wallet to sign the transaction. In a nutshell, the hardware wallet is a signing device. It's literally something that you use just to sign. Is all your crypto stored on this device? No. All your crypto is always stored in the blockchain. Therefore, if you were to lose your hardware wallet, or say, for example, you broke it by dropping it accidentally or something like this, your funds are still safe. The main thing that you need to protect are your private keys. Because if your private keys are exposed, sorry, but tough luck, it's game over. Your funds are exposed and most likely your wallet will just be drained by some person that just wants to take all of your money. So be safe. Thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy my explanation, please pop a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell if you want to know when I release new videos. Drop a comment down below if you have any opinions or if you want to see any more content with whatever topics that you would like to hear about. Finally, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. See you all next time. Bye bye.